Charanjit Kaur, please unmute yourself this time. Let's see if you're able to do that. Yes,
Good evening,
Charan.
sir.
Yes, please
Sorry,
tell me.
sir. I could not able to unmute because there was sudden power cut.
No problem. Go on,
Yes,
please.
sir. Yes, I just wanted to know about my financial stability, sir.
Mm-hmm.
When I will have my financial stability.
Okay. Give me a random number, please.
108, sir.
I can't hear you.
108. 108.
108. All right. All right. Let's see. Sixth bhava starts in Aquarius. Some lord is Venus in the star of Mercury, signifying the 10th house and Lagna bhava. Okay. Are you going for a job now?
No, sir. Right now, I am conducting my own workshops. I am a spiritual healer, Reiki healer.
Hmm.
So I'm just looking for a job now. So
Hmm.
I'm just thinking again to look for a job or to start with my workshops.
You will have sufficient money. Money is not a problem at all.
No, sir.
Own profession, own profession promises more rather than going for a job.
Okay,
You will succeed. Own profession, you will have very good name and fame.
okay,
Okay.
sir.
Because the sixth house of Lord Venus is in the star of Mercury deposited in the 10th bhava. Okay, and 10th house of Lord is also Venus in the star of Mercury deposited in the 10th bhava itself. So, very strong 10th bhava connection is seen for you. Okay, so definite success will come. Sure,
Okay,
short name, fame, success will come. So don't lose heart. Okay, and you're running currently, it is Mercury Dasa itself, and you're running Venus Bhakti. So this combination will be the best time. Surely between now till 23rd of April 2025 is the best time in your life to make enough sufficient name, fame, and money in your life. Concentrate, whatever you are doing, concentrate from this next month, from the month of August, July 1st, July 15th, plus another 10 plus 20, 25 plus July, 15th August. From August second week onwards, things will significantly improve for you. Good luck to you. All the very best.
okay, sir. Thank you so much.